Oh my gosh, I have a big pimple. What am I gonna do? I have to hide it. I have a date in 1 hour. Oh, foundation can help me. Foundation will be the perfect solution to hide my pimple.
Ha ha ha! Pimple, are you ready?
No, 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 foundation, please don't cover me, no!
But it's my job! Ah!
No, no, don't cover. Oh, no, oh.
Ooh, perfect! My pimple disappeared!
Finally, I covered it! Now Amy looks great again!
Oh no, I want to be with Amy!
What? My pimple's back? I need a thicker layer of foundation.
Ha! You want to appear on Amy's face? I'll cover you!
No, let me out, let me out!
Stay there! Finally, I did a great job making Amy feel great again!
Yes, thank you, foundation! You did a perfect job! You saved my day! My makeup looks nice, but I think I need eyeshadow. Purple shadow would be nice. What? Oh man, the purple eyeshadow is out! What am I gonna do? I'll use the end of the brush to scrape out the purple. Oh no, Amy, no! Don't do that! It'll hurt me! Just use a different color! Perfect! Now I can use my eyeshadow! But, hold on. Oh man, my brush looks so dirty and it's so hard, but it's the only one I have. Sorry, eyeshadows. Wait, Amy, no! Oh no, just buy a new one! Oh man, it's not enough purple! I have to throw the palette away. Amy, why would you do that? We were best friends. No!
Amy, you're so pretty!
Oh, don't say that.
Amy, I don't want to be mean, but I think you have a gray hair.
What? Gray hair? Where? Oh no, there it is. Oh, I feel so old.
Oh, Amy, don't worry, you're still pretty. Oh, I have tweezers. You can just take it out.
Tweezers? Okay, let me try.
Don't worry, Amy. I'm tweezers. I'll take the gray hair out for you.
Oh wow! All my gray hair is gone now. Thank you, Fred. Can you wait here a little bit? I need to fix my makeup.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Thank you.
These tweezers are so helpful. I'm gonna use them to get my nose hairs out. No, Fred, don't do it. Don't make me take out your nose hairs. Oh no, Fred, wait. No, Fred, don't do it, please. No, stop. No.
Huh? Where's my makeup sponge? Not here. It's not here either. Ooh, finally, it's right here. It's so dry. I need to add water. No! Don't wash my head! Don't wash my head! Oh, nice! My sponge is so fluffy now! Oh my gosh! My hair is so... Amy, stop! It looks perfect for my makeup now!
Okay, fine. I'll do your makeup, Amy.
Wow, the makeup sponge did a great job! My skin looks so pretty! Thank you, makeup sponge!
I know, Amy. I'm a great artist.
Oh man, I'm late, but my lips look so plain. I need lipstick. Oh, where's my lipstick? Oh my gosh, my lipstick!
Amy, why did you drop me?
Oh man, it's broken. How could I use it? I really need lipstick. Let me fix it. That's not bad. This should work. Let me try.
Amy, are you serious? You make me work in these conditions? Fine.
My lips look okay. Thank you, lipstick. You saved the day.
You're welcome, Amy. Can you fix me now? I can't stay like this anymore.
Sorry, lipstick. I can't fix you now. I have to go on my date. Bye.
No, Amy, come back. Come back, Amy. No.
Ooh, I have so many perfumes. Which one should I choose today?
Choose me. I'm lavender.
I'm Rose. Pick me. Should I choose lavender? No, I'll choose Rose.
What?
Me? Oh, it's my lucky day.
Oh, Amy, you never pick me.
All right, now let's try the perfume.
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Ooh, I love this smell. again tomorrow.
What?
Yeah, she's gonna use me again tomorrow.
Really, Amy? Why don't you use me? Amy, can you please hurry? We have a party in 15 minutes.
I know, but can't you wait 5 more minutes? My eyelash curler is so dirty. Look, it looks so gross.
Okay, fine, but please hurry.
Thank you. All right, I'll use a lighter to clean my eyelash curler.
Amy, don't do that, please. That's hot.
Good. Now I just need to wipe it down.
That's hot, Amy. Stop. I'm not dirty. It's okay. Stop.
It looks perfect now. I can use it.
Don't worry, Amy. I'll help you curl your eyelashes. Curl. There we go. Yes.
Wow, my eyes look so nice. Thank you, eyelash curler.
Oh, that's nothing, Amy. I'm a professional. Come on, Amy. We gotta hurry.
Oh, wait. Hi, everyone.
Did you like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!